In this independent review, we look at Starling Bank, including how it works, Starling Bank's fees, and how it compares to alternative app-only banks such as Monzo. Alright, so let's begin with the video. App-only challenger banks are innovating the banking industry, and Starling Bank is among the best-known new brands. It received its banking license in 2016 and unveiled the UK's first mobile-only current account in 2017. Starling Bank was founded by Anne Boden, who helped create the UK's CHAPS real-time payment system and worked for big brands such as Lloyds and Allied Irish Bank. Starling Bank takes a different approach to old-school banking. The idea is to provide everything you want from a full UK bank account, but none of the stuff you don't. They have decided this means you don't need bank branches, but you do get money management tools, a MasterCard contactless debit card, and 24/7 support. You don't have to phone to make an appointment to visit a branch to open a Starling Bank account. Instead, all you need to do is download the app on your smartphone. You must be age 16 and a UK resident to get a Starling Bank personal or Starling Bank joint account. Applicants need to download the app on a smartphone and provide a valid photo ID such as a UK passport or driving license. Starling promises that this process will take around 5 minutes, which is quicker than having to go into a bank branch during opening hours. There is also an account dedicated to 16-17-year-olds wanting to manage their money. Similar to traditional bank accounts, you will get a contactless MasterCard debit card and will be able to set up standing orders and manage direct debits in the app. You can also connect it to your digital wallet, such as Apple Pay. You can make up to 6 cash withdrawals a day up to a daily maximum of £300. You can deposit up to £1,000 cash a year free of charge at more than 11,500 post office branches nationwide. Anything over this amount will be charged at 0.7% of the balance deposited. Starling Bank provides an optional overdraft that you can turn on or off within the app. However, this is not currently available on joint accounts. You can reduce the amount you need, and you are only charged for the amount you borrow. The overdraft fee is an equivalent annual rate of 15%, 25%, or 35% based on your credit score. Having everything on the app means you can access your account wherever you are. But this is more than just a current account. Starling Bank will show you real-time balances and send instant payment notifications so you can track your spending. You can access spending insights that give you a breakdown of your spending habits so you can budget better and understand exactly where your money goes. However, unlike its rival Monzo, Starling Bank does not currently allow you to set spending budgets within the app. There is a spaces section, though, that rounds up your spending so any spare change can be put towards a big purchase, such as a holiday or car, and your roundups can be multiplied by 2 times, 5 times, or 10 times to boost your savings further, which is something that some rival banks charge a subscription fee for. Starling's connected card allows someone you trust to spend money on your behalf. The card is designed to be given to trusted friends, family, and carers, and saves the hassle of transferring money or splitting a bill. The card is capped at £200, but the money is held in a separate space in your Starling app and is therefore separate from the money in your main account. The person who has access to the connected card is not able to see your personal account information. The connected card cannot be used at ATMs, online, with a mobile wallet, or for any gambling transactions, and you have to have a Starling Bank personal account to be able to request a connected card. Starling Bank has a pocket money account for children aged between 6-16 years old, but as it sits as a space within the adult account, you must have a personal or joint account with Starling if you want to create one. As it sits within a Starling personal account, it is easy to set up regular payments and instantly transfer money into a Starling Kite account. A Starling Kite account is free to open, and there are no additional charges for transferring or withdrawing money. Children can create saving spaces within their Starling Kite account and can work towards achieving their goals with spending analytics. Adults can set spending limits, get instant spending notifications, and control where their child spends money on their card, e.g., only in shops or online. An additional bonus is if you have a Starling Bank joint account, the other account holder will get the same information regarding the Kite account. Just like a regular Starling account, there are also no overseas spending fees. Children can also download the Starling app on their phones to manage their Starling Kite account and receive spending notifications and check their Starling Kite card balance. Starling Bank's business and sole trader account is similar to its personal account. Starling Bank says the application process for its business account is slightly longer than the personal one at around 10 minutes. But in comparison, many banks will require you to make an appointment and sit in a branch for a couple of hours to get approval. Instead, you need to download the app, enter your personal details and information about your business, verify who you are by sending a video and ID documents, and wait for credit checks to come through. The bank may have extra queries, though, so this process may not be as instant as getting a personal account. There are no fees for a Starling business account unless you opt to sign up for the Business Toolkit, which costs £7 a month for extra bookkeeping, invoicing, and VAT features. Starling's business account offers a similar service to the personal account, such as payment alerts and transaction categorization. Starling business account holders can earn 2.5% interest on balances between £2,000 to £1,000 with the 1-year fixed business saver. Closing your account is pretty simple, especially as there are no monthly fees. You just need to contact customer services through the app. If you have a positive balance on your account, you need to transfer this, or Starling Bank can send a check for the outstanding balance. You will need to cancel all payment instructions, direct debits, and standing orders you have on your account. Your account will remain open if you are still overdrawn, and you will be expected to repay any funds. Starling Bank has built a bank fit for the 21st century that you can access whenever you want without having to find a bank branch. It is also doing its bit for the savings culture by encouraging users to save their spare change and introducing people to other financial services offerings such as investing and budgeting tools through its marketplace that they may never have previously heard of. It also continues to innovate and even protects customers with gambling addictions by allowing them to block gambling transactions. Starling Bank has a range of great features that really help you to get control of your finances and gain an understanding of where your money goes each month. Its virtual cards feature was recently expanded to joint accounts after it was initially rolled out to personal account holders only. Starling Bank's 1-year fixed saver is still only currently limited to those with a personal current account. Despite this, Starling Bank's approach is innovative as it provides both a bank that fits into your pocket, but also an app that can boost your whole lifestyle. Its only limit may be that the innovation it has created becomes useless if you run out of battery or have no reception or Wi-Fi. But on the flip side, it is open 24 hours a day, unlike a high street bank. Overall, it is not surprising Starling Bank has won so many plaudits. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.